Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a banana pound cake. If interested, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell that comes right after subscribing. Welcome! So to start off with this method, I'm going to take one ripe banana, make sure it's ripe enough so that it does not give you problems with mashing, and I'll mash it using my fork. And this took me like a minute, yeah, I guess. With that, I'm going to pour it into my bowl and I'll beat it for 30 seconds before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. So the next ingredient I will add is 100 grams of butter. I will beat that for like a minute before I start adding my sugar, of which for this cake I used 1 cup of sugar and I added it in 2 bits. After I've added my sugar, like all of it, I'll beat that for like 3 minutes before I start adding the next thing I'm going to show you. So with that, I'm going to add lemon juice, which is my flavor for this cake. You can add vanilla, you can add strawberry, whatever you want, but I chose to add lemon because I'm okay with it. Then I will add my eggs. I'm using 2 eggs for this cake. And as you know, kama kawaida, we add each at a time. Make sure you take your time mixing everything together, it's so important. I took like 7 minutes before I started adding my dry ingredients. With that, it's now time to add our dry ingredients. I used 1 cup of all-purpose baking flour, that is like 250 grams of all-purpose baking flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 50 grams of cornstarch. I sieved that in. The reason we actually sieve in or sift our dry ingredients is to reduce the particles. So with that, I'm going to add half cup of water. I will add it in 2 bits and mix everything together, and our butter is ready. You can use milk, but I didn't have milk at the moment, so I decided to use water, which is okay. Now our mixture is ready. I'm going to transfer it into a baking tin that is ready too, and I'm going to bake that at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. For a perfect pound cake, your mixture should not be thin. What you can see, that thickness is the right consistency. Do not make it anything, okay? If you've watched till this far, that means you're gaining something. So please hit that like button for me. It will support me big time. So please guys, do not go without liking. Our cake is now ready. I'm going to transfer it to my tray. Our cake broke, and I actually think it's because of the temperatures. Make your temperatures 170. Okay? And see how it goes. But it's well cooked. I love it already. I cannot wait to taste it. So let it cool before you start cutting it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It supports me a lot. Please subscribe.